In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a login page on Squarespace. If you've been looking to add a login feature to your Squarespace website, you've come to the right place. Creating a login page is a crucial step for those who want to offer exclusive content, manage memberships, or simply enhance site navigation for users. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to your Squarespace website. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look for the Pages option, which is typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the pages currently on your site. This is your main workspace for managing where your site's content lives. Now, our next step is to create a new page. To do this, you'll see a plus icon or an add button, usually at the bottom of the pages list. Click on that, and you'll be prompted with options to add different types of content. Here, you want to choose to add a blank page. The blank page option is essential because it gives you a clean slate to work with without any predefined content or layout. Once you've added this blank page, it's important to ensure that it is placed in the Not Linked section. The Not Linked section is where you can create pages that won't automatically appear in your site's navigation. This is particularly useful for a login page, as it might not be something you want front and center on your home page. Instead, it can be accessible via a button or link from somewhere else on your site, such as your header or footer. Now that your blank page is set up, it's time to give it a name. Go ahead and enter login as the page name. Naming it login will keep things simple and clear for both you and your users. Once you've named the page, remember to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a login page on Squarespace. While this setup won't automatically include the login functionality, it provides the framework to add custom code or third-party extensions to enable user logins. You might want to explore Squarespace's integration options or check out their support resources for specifics on adding login functionality tailored to your needs. As you continue to develop your site, consider how this login page will fit into your overall design and user experience. You may want to customize the page further, adding your site's branding elements or specific instructions for users. Keep in mind that maintaining a consistent look and feel across your site will help ensure a seamless experience for your visitors. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy building and enjoy creating a more interactive and engaging experience for your website visitors.